So I'm reading a lot of comments, speak to just my hiatal hernia videos, and there are a lot of naysayers. There's definitely a lot of people that are skeptical. I get it. Why am I gonna spend time talking about a BS thing that doesn't work? I have 75,000 subscribers that I care about. I care about way more than the 75. I care about the world. I care about people. That's why I became a doctor. That's why I do what I do. That's why I became a chiropractor specifically, because I never got the answers that I sought from the medical community. I was a sick kid. I never got the answers I needed for my skin. I had skin problems. I get fed antibiotics. I was never told that it's related to my diet, right? Now my skin is clear because I eat clean, right? But I was never told that by a dermatologist. They're the skin specialists. So when I see other surgeons, other GI docs, other people bashing me, but then I see all the love, right? And the love just drowns out that negativity. Listen, if you have a hiatal hernia, you have acid reflux, GERD, maybe even Barrett's esophagus, bloating, panic attacks, Scoliosis, silent reflux, LPR, all the other weird symptoms like the heart palpitation that go with it, and you're suffering, what's the harm in literally pulling the stomach down? It's akin to a massage, a deep stomach massage. What's the harm in it? Why do you have to go and criticize something that's helped thousands and thousands? I have helped thousands of people with my hands, first of all. But then I created the Reflux Shield and we ship it worldwide. Now I've been able to help thousands more from afar. And you know how happy that makes me? And you think it's a scam or like a gimmick it's just absurd. It's stupid. The comments, people commenting that. And you know what? And these are people that have either had surgery or never even tried it, right? Or it's amazing how people are so critical and yet they're not even willing to try it first themselves, right? And it's a shame. As if I became a doctor to scam people. It's dumb. It's dumb to think that I'm on here pushing some technique that doesn't work. It's got an over 85% success rate. There is a reason why a few sharks, yes, have taken interest in the product. It's not bullshit. It's real, okay? And if you suffer, like so many do, stop taking dangerous meds. Stop the dangerous antacids. Stop the pill fatigue and the supplements, okay? That's just treating the symptoms, okay? The Reflux Shield treats the root cause, the mechanical issue of your stomach rising up above your diaphragm. That's it. It's really simple. And it's sad to me that people think this is some gimmick or that it's BS. I've worked the last several years to develop the product and give the public a product that they can address the root cause of GERD symptoms, GERD-related symptoms, effectively, efficiently, safely, without spending more and more and more money every month to refill their prescriptions. Okay? So that's my heartfelt to all the haters. But I love the lovers. Thank you. I get all those messages. Love you, you're right, you're this, I appreciate you, this helps me, you know, all of that, all that love. I do appreciate it. You are the guys that keep me going. The haters, they keep me going even harder too, because I'm going to prove all the haters wrong. And if you don't want to be proven wrong and you want to go get surgery and pop your antacids, you go right ahead. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.